Hi, this is Venkatesh. Watch this series to improve your logical skills. Here, int a equal to 9, comma b equal to 5. Int c equal to a and b. It is bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND operator operates on binary data only. How it works, I'm going to explain. Say, binary data nothing but zeros and ones, and 1 0 1 0 1 and 1, that is 1 1 and 0 0 0 and 1 0 0 and 0 0. So bitwise AND operator works like this. If both are 1, then only 1. Here a value 9, b value 5. First 9 converted into binary format, 5 converted into binary format. On binary data, this is applicable. See, 9 in a binary format conversion. Binary base is 2. So with 2, 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1. 2 2 ja 4, remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0. 9 in a binary format, 1 0 0 1. Here 1 byte equal to 8 bits. Like that I'll take 1 0 0 1, like that 8 bits. 5 in a binary format, 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0. 5 in a binary format, 1 0 1. 8 bits, remaining all zeros I'll take. 1 0 1. On this binary data, bitwise AND operator works. 1 and 1, then 1. 1 and 0 0, 0 and 1 0, 0 and 0 0. If both are 1, then only 1. So 1 1, it is 1. 0 and 0, it is 0. 0 and 1, it is 0. 1 and 0, it is 0. 0 0 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. Now this is converted into decimal format. 2 power 0 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. First here 2 power 0 into 1. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So in a decimal output is 1. So if I compile and run this program, output will be 1. See, compile, run. See, output is 1.